How to change chart height in MooMoo. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to help changing the chart height in MooMoo application, then here's how you can do it. First of all, open up the MooMoo app on your device and log in. Now from the home page of MooMoo, go to the bottom center and tap on the Me button. Inside the Me menu that appears on the screen, scroll down and click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Charts. From the chart interface, scroll down and look for chart height and tap on it. Now, you'll be able to see a little slider at the bottom of the screen. Simply drag it towards the right or the left. If you want to increase the chart height, move towards the right. If you want to decrease it, drag it towards the left. Once it looks comfortable for your viewing style, you can then get back. Now your layout updates instantly. Go ahead and open up any currency from the watch list, and you'll be able to see your chart height changed. Changing the chart height in MooMoo is super quick once you know where to drag. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.